Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this easy yummy sandwich. I wanted to share this recipe with you guys, and if you are ready, let's get started. So before we get started, we are going to prep our vegetables. So over here guys, I'm just cutting an onion, and this is half of the onion, so 1/4 of my onion. And after that, we are going to move on to a half of a tomato. So you want to slice it. So everything I'm just slicing. So after slicing our tomato, we are going to move on to slicing our red pepper. So after everything is done guys, we are going to go ahead and move on to prepping our bread. So over here guys, I'm just adding some butter to one side of the bread. You don't have to add to both sides. So now that I'm done, we are going to move on to toasting our bread. So this is where the sandwich is. So I'm adding some olive oil. So the oil is getting heated at medium high, and we're going to go ahead and add some vegetables and stir fry them. So you want to go ahead and stir fry and add some pepper in there, some onion powder in there, and then we are going to add some fresh garlic. And the last seasoning that we're adding is salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, and we're going to continue stir frying. After seasoning your vegetables, you want to saute them for about 2 minutes so that the seasoning is blended well. And when you are done, make sure you set your vegetables aside and move on to toasting our bread and assembling the sandwich. So over here, I just added a little bit of oil, and I'm just brushing the oil on the pan, and we are going to go ahead and toast our bread. So you want to put the bread on the side where the butter is not. So after toasting your bread a little bit, of course guys, we want to flip our bread. So guys, for every ingredient that I use in this video, I'm going to leave it in the description below, so do not worry about that. You will have every yummy ingredient because this sandwich was the best guys. Now that the bread is toasted enough, we are going to go ahead and start assembling our sandwich. So the first thing that I'm adding to the bread is some cheese, guys. And then after that, we are going to go ahead and add some sauteed vegetables. And then we are adding some fresh tomatoes because, you know, this is the part that makes the sandwich so refreshing. And then we're going to go ahead and move on and adding our deli meat, which is turkey. You can find your own deli meats, whatever you want to put on there, chicken or leftover chicken. It will still be good. And then I topped it up with extra cheese again, and then went ahead and, you know, just for about a minute, try to melt the cheese. So guys, this is the end. This is a sandwich. I call it the David Sloppy sandwich because I try to make recipes that are easy for my brothers to follow, so that way, you know, they can cook them, because I'm trying to teach them how to cook easy things. So I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, and for just showing up on this channel and showing some love. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.